goes, removing a sidecar from a Ural. Take the top nut and bolt out of the prop. Loosen the bottom one. Put that back in there for safekeeping. Disconnect any electrics. Do the same at this end, this one out. Open-ended on that one. It's not normally the case, it's just this one's got a fuel canister holder in the way. I should say the bike's on the centre stand, and we've taken any excess weight out of the boot and we've removed the sidecar spare wheel. Can go there. Loosen that one a little bit. Same at the front. Slide an axle stand in just in case. Although that front one shouldn't come off yet. This bolt doesn't need to come all the way out, but it does need to come out far enough to let this jaw release. Get an axle stand ready. A little bit more maybe. supported on an axle stand. Go around to the front. Do exactly the same at this end. So you come in all the way out. You don't need to take this bolt all the way out. If you do, it's just a pain to rethread it again. Axle stand at the ready. And we're free. Check they're okay. Pick the bike up. Move it sideways. Once it's clear, bike's free to go. Because I do this a lot, I have this little dolly. And all this does is it just allows me to move the sidecar once it's not attached to the bike. There we go, job done.